Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I hope it's a good day for you. Well, we're coming down to the end of the semester. And I always spend the last parts of the semester on ethnomusicology, specifically on things that are non-Western. And so far, we've already covered a couple of things that are integrated in the United States, which are both non-Western and Western at the same time. Jazz being that, music from Mexico being that, things which have altered themselves and altered music in the United States. And I hope you've enjoyed that so far. Normally what I do at this time of the semester is I start bringing instruments in from my collection and showing them to you and letting you see what they are and letting you play with them and letting you hear what they sound like and how they work. And unfortunately, I can't do that directly here on the internet. But I do have some videos that you can click on and look at and see the different things that I've done over the years. Now, the videos were originally made for elementary students, so they are a little on the cheesy side. Okay, they were also made by me, which puts them a lot on the cheesy side. But that being aside, there's a lot of instruments that are there. I also have some examples for you of instruments that are being used from various places and times, which hopefully will make sense to you and you'll be able to understand how they go. We want to concentrate this week on two areas. The first area being what's called Australia and Oceania, and that is all of those things that happen in the ocean. So Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii, Polynesia, all of those things together. And then I want to look at music in Africa as if music in Africa was one thing, which it's not. It's lots and lots of things in lots and lots of places. But those will be the two big things for you to look at, and there are sections on both of those for this week, and I'll mark those for you here in a moment. And hopefully that will make just tons and tons of sense, and you'll be able to find that. Make sense? I hope so. As always, there'll be an assignment. It's a listening assignment, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this last week's. I haven't read everybody's yet. I read a couple and really was pleased that you liked what you heard. It's kind of an interesting view with a very modern take on some pretty old music. Hopefully you're having a great day. If you need a hand, drop me an email. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what I can do to help you. With the exception of connectivity for a couple of folks, y'all have been doing absolutely wonderful. I know it is a weird way to do classes, and it's really hard to get that whole involvement that you guys had when you were able to talk with one another in class, and I'm sure you're missing that. I'm sure you're missing each other. And frankly, I miss you guys. You're an awful lot of fun. You've been an absolutely wonderful class, and I cannot imagine the places you're going to go with all of the skills that you've learned and your ability, your resilience to get through all of this stuff that we're going through now. Hoping you're having a wonderful week. We'll catch you next week with the grading.